Well, this Valentine's Day, give a pizza your heart to that someone special. The executive chef at Bardō, Cameron Bell, is here to help us make a tasty heart-shaped pizza. Thanks for being here. We've washed our hands. We're ready to go because we are going to make some heart-shaped pizza. What is the trick to getting that perfect heart shape?
I think the trick is just knowing how to make a triangle.
Okay. Well, I mean, let's see.
Nothing too special.
Nothing too special, you would think. Okay, what do we got? We got our dough.
We got our dough. This is a large dough. It's an 18-inch.
Yep.
So just a little bit of flour on your hands so it doesn't stick.
Yep.
We're going to work at pushing the air, as you can see, moving it from the center out to the edges. This forms our crust. And if you get
so
too
from
big
the center, you're working out.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yep. Pop any big bubbles.
Yep.
And then, this is a little bit of the tricky part that comes with a bit of experience.
Yep.
We'll just flip it onto the backs of our hands.
On the backs of our hands from the middle? Oh,
yep,
great.
that's correct.
Okay.
And just give it a light stretch, moving it.
Okay. We're making pizza here.
That's right.
Okay.
Once we get it to a decent size, close to the pan, we're going to lay it on the pan. And we're going to make our triangle.
Making a triangle.
Yep, just starting at the top.
Starting at, with the point at the top?
No, point towards you.
Point towards us, okay.
Top. That's correct.
So we got some of those air bubbles here that I didn't pinch out well enough. Yep. People are my grandma's watching this, my mom's watching this. This kid's never made a pizza in his life. Never made a pizza in his life. So, all right, okay, we're trying. More triangle-ish.
Flat at the top.
This is why he's the professional here. All right, we should point out that you guys have kits at Bardō, right?
That's correct.
Okay.
Each location has kits in our grab-and-go section. Each container of ingredient will accommodate 2 smalls or 1 large pizza dough. Yeah. You can get a large pizza dough, 18-inch, feeds about 2 to 3. Small is personal size, 11.
Perfect. All right.
So once you have the flat side to yourself, grab some kitchen shears, and we just cut out this triangle.
Okay, so this is, because it's going to, obviously, it's going to go in the oven, it's going to bake, it's going to expand.
That's correct.
That's just what we want, just a little, just a little triangle top off the...
Just to match your point at the bottom. And just constantly adjust it as it pulls in. And then from here, the possibilities are endless.
That's what the best part is. I've been trying. I have been eating the dough as we go here. Or sorry, the toppings as we go.
Yeah, you go ahead and make one. I'll make one with white. You make one with red.
I'm gonna make a red sauce. What? Okay, is there a rule when it comes to making your own pizza? I know there's a good Seinfeld bit that if you wanted to put cucumbers on a pizza, you could do it. What would you recommend in terms of good combos of flavors for pizzas?
I think when it comes to making a pizza, less is more. Simple is better. Everyone wants to kind of overload it, which is fine. Yeah. Again, the possibilities are endless. If you probably could find a way to put cucumber on a pizza. Yeah. But for me, I like balance. I like sweet, salty, sour.
Okay,
that sort of deal.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're gonna go there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do mozzarella.
I'm gonna do that too. What else you got going on at Bardō? Valentine's Day. What do you any big deals going on? Big specials?
So each property is doing a feature. Our Guelph location is running a lobster dip with 3 cheese and our house pita, and our Lock Street location in Hamilton is doing a butternut squash and prosciutto lasagna.
Very cool. And some pretty exciting announcement. You got something coming up in Burlington?
That's correct. Yep, we have a new location opening up on the corner of Brant and James, just a couple blocks in from Lake Ontario there.
Okay, very cool.
Very beautiful spot. It's a corner lot. Come check us out. Look for us in about April.
April. Okay. All right. Very cool. I'm going heavy on the pepperoni. I love pepperoni. Okay. We're going in. The magic of television. Yeah. There we go. There's one.
Ooh, and I've got one ready.
Oh, look at that. Just like that. Magic of television. Camera's coming back here. Here we go. There we go. Pepperoni. I'm going to put some onions here.
So this is the end product.
Very nice, very nice. And you want to top that off, don't you?
Yeah, I'm going to finish mine with also prosciutto, bit of basil.
Oh, we're going heavy on the prosciutto. I'm having a great, I want to eat all this prosciutto though. Here we go, there we go, there we go. What do you think?
That looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good. You heard it here. You heard him. He said it looks pretty good, okay? We're doing it. All right. Before we go, where can people find more information about you and Bardō?
They can check us out online at bardorestaurants.com. There you'll find everything on our website.
Awesome. Cameron, my hands are very, I was about to lick them, but I'm not going to do that. There you go. Look at this. Beautiful pizza. Bardō. Go check them out. That's very hot. Careful. I should know that. It just came out of the oven. Thanks so much, Cam.
Thank you, Louie.
Appreciate it. All right, we got more coming up. We'll put their information up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.
Thank you.